Okay, so finally, before reassembly, we need to do the floats. I'm going to show you what these look like. These are pretty bad. I've got some flat nose pliers and some long nose pliers, which we're going to tweak. I'm going to fix the ends of that before we do this. But look at these. This is not parallel. You can see that the distance between there on that left lobe and the right lobe, float lobes, those are closer, so they need to come outwards. And we'll use a vernier to get them 100% parallel, so we're going to measure internally and externally till we get them 100% parallel. And we're also going to make sure that when we look at it from this attitude, that you see this one is lower than the other one. And so we need to move this one that way, that away. So we've got to get them 100% parallel in two planes, in this region and that region. And then what we're going to do is we're going to assemble everything and put the floats in here. What we'll do is we'll put this at a 45-degree angle, lift the floats and then drop them slowly. We will drop them to a point where we do not depress the little spring-loaded clip in the middle there. That is a spring-loaded indent, and we don't want that depressed. It gets depressed by this center metal there. You can see the wear mark on the middle there. And what we want to do is we want to bend this metal piece here to the point where when this drops at a 45-degree angle, that, let's see if we can put this in here nicely to show you what's going on. Once this is in here, like so, what we want is at a 45-degree angle, the top of this float measured to this gasket surface. So we will take our vernier caliper and we will insert it here, and we've got that guy there. Sorry, I had some nylon brush bristles on there. And we will go upwards from the gasket surface. Let's do it sideways. From the gasket surface to the top over there with the verniers. To the point where we can measure the distance at a 45-degree angle. And we want from the top there, over there, to the gasket surface down there, between 21 and 21.5 millimeters. Then your carb float setup is done.